Lighter on the frying pan, a little bit of music's kind of nice to have, and right now our antenna is not functioning on our old JC Penney FM AM cassette 8-track and record player. So as I'm taking it apart, I noticed that it's actually made in Taiwan, a little hard to see in there. But what's really unusual about this is maybe not that so much as the turntable. It's made in Great Britain. So anyway, we'll get this back together here shortly and redo some leads and hear some music. Reassembled. Let's see if it's going to work. Good stuff. Like it when it works. Come be part of the adventure. fptower.com. See you soon.